Hello everybody and welcome to my video. My name is Black and today I wanted to show you about Hmoob Dawb traditional clothes. This is Hmoob Dawb traditional clothes. You can see it. It's so beautiful, everybody. It's so beautiful. Actually, I am not Hmoob Dawb people. I am Mongling people, but you know I am a big fan of Hmoob Dawb traditional clothes. Yes, because it's so beautiful. Yes, and you know this dress, this clothes, it made from two people. The first person about the dress, it made by my younger sister, and look tall and the shape it made by Hmoob Dawb. And if you want to have the other dress like this, you can get in touch with Hmoob Dawb because she will make it for you. We also about this dress we also hire. And so if you want to have it to take photo or to make video, you can get in touch with me or my younger sister. We will let you hire it. Okay, so bye bye and see you next time.